Welcome to our interactive video on Node.js. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Node.js is and how it works. Before we start today's topic, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update from us. Also, don't forget to like and share our video. Let's get started. First, let's answer the question, what is Node.js? Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It was created by Ryan Dahl in 2009 and is built on the V8 JavaScript engine, the same engine that powers Google Chrome, which is a popular web browser. Now, let's explore some key features of Node.js. Asynchronous and event-driven, Node.js uses a non-blocking I/O model, making it efficient and scalable. Single programming language, you can use JavaScript for both client-side and server-side development. NPM ecosystem, the Node Package Manager, NPM, offers a vast collection of libraries and tools. Node.js has gained a lot of attention from front-end developers who can now build a server-side application with the programming language they're familiar with instead of learning a new one. Let's see if you can recall one of the key features of Node.js. Is Node.js synchronous or asynchronous? Option A, synchronous. Option B, asynchronous. That's right. Node.js is asynchronous, which means it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without waiting for each task to complete. Now, let's dive into how Node.js works. Node.js operates on a single-threaded event loop. This is how it handles multiple client requests efficiently. Event loop, the core of Node.js. It processes incoming requests and delegates tasks to the appropriate handlers. Non-blocking I/O, operations like reading from a database or file system are performed asynchronously. This means Node.js can handle other tasks while waiting for these operations to complete. Callback functions, when an asynchronous operation is complete, a callback function is invoked to handle the result. Let's look at a simple example. Here's a Node.js code snippet that reads a file. In this example, fs.readFile is an asynchronous operation. The callback function is executed once the file is read. Const fs, this declares a constant variable named fs. Require, fs, the require function is used to include the fs file system module, which is a built-in Node.js module. fs.readFile, this function is called to read the content of a file asynchronously. Example.txt, the name of the file to be read. What can you build with Node.js? The possibilities are vast. Web servers, Node.js is perfect for building scalable web servers and APIs. Real-time applications, it's ideal for applications like chat apps, live streaming, and online gaming. Microservices, Node.js works well for creating microservices architectures. Node.js has been used by companies like Netflix, LinkedIn, and Uber to build robust and high-performing applications. We hope this video helped you understand what Node.js is and how it works. Dive into Node.js and start building your next project today. For more tutorials and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update from us.